Right there.
That's gonna fail.
That one fell. You think it's gonna fall?
Yes.
Here?
Yes.
I don't think so. That's solid.
If it fell, I hope it doesn't fall on my car.
That's solid. Morning, you guys. Welcome back to another episode of S Mode. Today we're going to take the 370Z with my wifey and the Juke, and we're going to make a beautiful exhaust at full throttle performance. We're gonna make the Juke louder. We're gonna make the Juke look better. It's gonna be a nice trip. We have 2 hours ahead of us. We're gonna go get a breakfast. We're gonna go get a coffee, and then we're gonna hit the road. So I'll see you in a sec. Cold start of my wifey 370. Sorry, neighbors. Right, we arrived at McDonald's, so we're gonna grab some breakfast. Oh yes. What we have here can beat that view over there. We finished the breakfast and we're ready to hit the road. Are we good? No? Wife is trying to set up the music in the Nissan. It's been bugging her for quite some time, so she needs to play with the phone a little bit with the Bluetooth, turn it off, turn it on. What a beautiful weather today we have in proper July. It's 7:30 and it's already 23 degrees. This is really bad. Really bad. 60 miles an hour average speed for 40 miles. Already 1 hour late. I'm really sorry, James, Mac. And at the minute we're just cruising with 60 miles an hour. Yeah, I wonder if they're selling it so we can make it a drift.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
But okay, let's see if we're gonna get the car done today or not.
It's very late.
Yeah, it's very late. I really hope we're gonna get it done today. Full throttle performance. What? It's locked. It's locked. I guess we're not making the car today. 370 looking nice. Your car looks way cleaner than mine. And shinier as well. I think your wheels are gonna look very nice with that color. What do you think? But leaving the diamond.
Yeah.
Leaving the diamond. No, we're going for 4.
Well, we take them out to the car and you can
Yeah, we can look at them on the car. Yeah, I'll go for this one then. I'll go for this one. Last time you're going to hear the car sounding like that. That's a cold start with the original exhaust. Yeah. Okay, not bad. The white lion. I think the white lion is being buried a long time satisfying. I can never have enough. I can listen to that all day. Especially when you do this.
The flames coming?
I don't know, but I can hear the little pops. They're not bangs, they're little pops when you release the. Oh, police, calm down, calm yourself. Oh no, it's blood. Okay, we're safe. I can. Oh, it's so good. This meows, how we call my wife. Meow, 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 meow. I want the Juki to make meow. It's just so good. Makes you smile every time. Oh, we just found this place with the miss while we're waiting for my car to be fixed by James from FTP. Being a photographer is not a good thing with her. She's just getting mad all the time. I'm just not a photographer. I need to get some courses, but yeah, 370 looks stunning, clean. Has a few bucks in here and there, but yeah. Look at this place. Pretty cool. Nice for pictures. Nobody around. Miss at the back. This is nuts. This is nuts. Check this out. Masterpiece. Oh, the burn tips. It absolutely looks original. I love the welding. Cold start and see how it sounds, because that's what it's for. James, you killed it. You absolutely killed it. Oh, anyway, Instagram, I'll put the link on the description. Make sure you subscribe to him, because James, he's the man. It just looks beautiful. It's not only welding the pipes or anything like that. It's just beautiful looking at it. I swear to God, I can just sleep underneath the car. That's an official cold start in a 32 degrees weather. mean, it doesn't sound like the 370, but it sounds awesome. Okay, yeah, that sounds better. Looking nice. This is insane. Seriously, that looks so nice. Doesn't it? It looks really, really nice. Whoa. This is wicked, yeah. And 2 tips. Oh, this looks nice. We gotta change yours, baby. We gotta put your burn tips. Yeah. The cuts factory. Perfect. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Inside is loud, but not extreme, but it's loud. Outside, I don't know how it is. I'll ask my wife when we arrive at home. How was it? Both cars looks amazing. Right, so this is for us. It's been a long day, really long day. I mean, I'm super tired, you can tell by my face. We've been staying for a couple of hours in here, went for a drive, ate. My eyes are tired, and yeah, this is it for this episode. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one. The test, if it fits. It's perfect.
That's the one.
That's the one. Agreed.
Yeah.
You're much better with those, isn't it?
Oh yeah. That's good.
Because the thing is